Do you struggle to keep track of your inventory from anywhere in the world? At the Farber Consulting Group Inc., we specialize in warehouse management solutions that offer real-time inventory visibility, no matter where you are. Our experts implement advanced warehouse management systems that enable you to visualize inventory on an interactive floor plan. Whether you're tracking raw materials or finished products, our solutions ensure you always know what's in stock and where it's located. From barcode scanning to automated updates, we provide reliable systems that streamline inventory control, minimize errors, and enhance productivity. No matter the size of your warehouse, we help you manage inventory efficiently and accurately. At the Farber Consulting Group Inc., we are dedicated to delivering warehouse management solutions that keep your business running smoothly with optimal inventory control. Contact us at 732-536-4765 or visit us at dfarber.com to learn more about our innovative warehouse management solutions.